Good medical morning. This is Watson, your warlord of the weird and prince of popping. And today, I'd like to tell you about my favorite pimple popping website, cystbursting.com. I'll put a link below so you can see it for yourself. First off, can you identify what is being peeled from this man's hand? We'll have the answer in a moment. Over the years, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook have restricted the best pimple pops and medical videos. They've deleted them, age restricted them, and pulled them out of search. However, cystbursting.com has made it easy to find and reference each day's top pops, picks, and peels. For example, here are the Derm Diva's best cysts and pops, along with a nice little biography. Want to see the latest urban skin extractions? Check this out. The page brings the best from Reddit, Imgur, Instagram, YouTube, and even exclusive fan submissions, all in one location, so go check it out. Oh, and what was on this man's hand? Well, it was an egg white skin peel, essentially a beauty mask. And if you like beauty masks, actually take a look at this amazing gold facial mask. Available from Amazon, it'll have you looking like $1,000,000. We asked, and here's what you had to say about Rest More.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
That's right, Rest More. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Rest More yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Rest More. There's an Amazon link in the description below.